I was in some of the Japan ones, and then I was in the one where we first met. Yeah, that's back when I was on Supercell, because on the Cressida.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Josh really got it together since then.
Yeah.
Ben's old. Mark II.
Still around, still kicking.
Still kicking. The fucking S13 looks good.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, it looks really good, man.
Skirts look good. Damn.
Oh.
I didn't know how I'd like it without the wing, but it looks really good too.
Yeah, I think it looks a lot better without the B-Wave.
Yeah?
All right, we're gonna go to the track and yell at Nelson.
It's time to yell.
First we got a DoorDash on the... he's so, like, weird.
That was such an
He's
order
like,
too.
Give me, like,
Is it
Tim
huge?
Hortons, like, chicken crunch sandwich, and then a side of 1 piece of cheddar cheese, and then a side of buffalo sauce. Like, I'm not gonna walk in there looking like an absolute tool.
Cheddar. Don't do that.
Yeah, he's like side of cheddar cheese.
That's good. I'd have to go to the bathroom, so Tim Hortons probably the move.
Man, you really already fucked the cruise, eh? Noah's driving. We're at a Hangle. Josh is letting us in. Great guy. These traffic's fucked, man. You're fucked. Look at this angle we're at, man.
Man, we got the Eminem CD on deck.
Josh got his fucking beverage from Tim Hortons. We got the DoorDash for Nelson. Noah loves Vape Street. Why does it smell like fucking eggs? Already.
Passing through that quick, eh?
Yeah. Alright, to the track.
Time to drift.
Watch. Time to watch drift.
No, we're going on track.
I'm going on track.
Alright. Noah and Josh are gonna rip a sick tandem. GX versus S13.
Yeah, my car with no power.
Yeah, that'd be tight.
My SR probably makes like 100 horsepower, so we're probably about the same.
Cool, man.
I also have a 300mm steering wheel.
You like the tunes, dude?
Yeah. I am.
You want them? You want to trade?
Trade music?
You want to trade?
Yeah, Evan there.
What do you got?
I just listen to Bluetooth, man.
What the fuck, man?
I know, I need to get some CDs up.
You can't even trade? You want it? It's not very good. You need to give it back later, though. Okay. Let me know what you think.
I've never used the display in this.
You just stick it in.
Thing. No, I know, but my whole thing goes like that.
Oh.
It comes out because it's a double in. Alright. I'm gonna listen to some Eminem on the track now.
Right on.
He's bumping the new Eminem.
Yep.
Your windshield's so dirty, you can't even see it.
Oh!
How's the Eminem?
Great. Got a finger put in his ass.
Ah!
No, I was like, why do I smell tired? Then I realized we're at the track.
Look at this parking. There's the line.
Stagger, you have to look over here.
Yeah, it looks good from over here.
See, we're stagger.
I fucking forgot Nelson's DoorDash in there. God, fucking damn it, Nelson.
That's not touchscreen.
What's your pin, dude?
It's a secret.
No, so I'm just
doing pretty shit, eh?
I know, man.
stock A.
It's
It
NAK.
sounds like a stock NAK. It's gotta be. Adam's
fucking
wrong.
ripping, though.
Adam's wrong. Now you just shreds. Where's Adam? Is Adam going?
Yeah.
Good. I was so scared, dude.
It's an NAK.
What is it?
Yeah, it is. That car is NAK.
No.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Dude, how are you hauling ass? Adam doesn't think. He didn't think you were NA. He thought you were boosted for sure.
No.
We're trying to tell him.
No.
That's fucked. Graham, get in.
He's gonna kick it.
Kick it. I jumped the lens out.
He wants me to do it since I did it.
Yeah, put your foot on it.
It is on jack right now.
That's fine if it falls. Oh yeah. Dude, it's better than factory now.
Edge. Very edge.
Yeah, try it.
Oh, you fucking cracked the whole edge.
Pretty good.
I have another one you can have.
Dude, you need Uncle Torrance to fix that for you, man.
Yeah, fuck. Torrance, where are you, man?
Hello guys, Milkman goes drifting, that's the vid. Hope you guys enjoyed. Car's reading a bit. Got a fan shroud though. So you know what they say, when your car reheats, give us some of the Crocs, sponsor us. Nice. Wait, get this Yeah, Drifto.
that's the end of the video. Went and yelled at Nelson. That was his 3rd time drifting. He's doing pretty good. He's getting there. And I think we're gonna go to Pumpkin Smash later on in October. So we'll have another track video. I don't know how long this video will be. I don't know if it'll be that long, but yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one, dude.
And as always, www.moistboys.co.
Oh yeah, 30% off sale right now.
Yeah, 30% off using the code PAINT30, all capitals.
While supplies last.
Yeah, that's one of the bigger sales we've done.
Biggest one we've done in a long time, yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah, get over there, and otherwise, stay tuned for more content and frog off.
Yeah. It's the longest light ever. Hello? Oh.
You hit some bits.